Hi guys, it's Khandie here. So it's Boxing Day, so the day after Christmas here in the UK, and I got a bit bored. I got given some amazing presents, but I wanted to do something. So I was on YouTube and I saw this amazing video about Irene Rudnick, which was doing sort of an Annie Leibovitz style of photography. And I was like, wow, that's amazing. And she did it with some super cheap gear, flash gear. See, I'll link it up here for you. I was like, I could have a go in my living room. Okay, so it dawned on me you might not know who Annie Leibovitz is because you might be living under a rock, or you literally have never heard of her. I adore her. She does this amazing book out you can buy. I forgot the publisher name. Anyway, by the by, I'll put the link in the bottom so you can see it. So Annie Leibovitz is this American portrait photographer who does light that sort of emulates natural light quite often. It's very soft, very painterly, some greeny, bluey tones in her work. It's really kind of, it's just beautiful. It's sublime. It's instantly iconic. You would have seen it on the cover of Vanity Fair. She's done some amazing work. It's really just beautiful. So I'll put her website below so you can have a look. So for me to emulate her style, I had to make sure I had this really soft light, which meant I was going to use the flash and bounce it off the walls, but what I quickly noticed is that I didn't have a powerful enough flash and my living room was quite wide, so it made it quite difficult to do that. So what I then decided to do was put it in my umbrella softbox and bring that slightly closer to me, and that gave this much softer light. Not as soft as it would be if I'd bounced it off the wall, because obviously the bigger the light source, the softer the light, but this was what I worked with, and I think I kind of got it. It's not quite there. I'm going to revisit it at the studio where I can feel a bit more comfortable, because photographing when there's loads of people around you at home it's kind of weird. So while everyone else is watching Karate Kid over there, I'm going to be doing this with this big umbrella, try and shoot some lights. So here's my attempt at it. It did not go well. It took a lot of procrastination. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button. And look, this is an aftermath. Look at that terrible, terrible eyelash there that is coming off. Brilliant, so classy.